Hello, welcome back to Happy Crypto channel. Today I will introduce and review new ICO, this is Vena Network. And the other website is Vena.network. Network. This is other website. Okay, Vena protocol is an open protocol for tokenized asset financing and exchange, in which everyone can project P2P cryptocurrency collateral lending and OTC trading anytime and anywhere, enabling free exchange between cryptocurrency and fiat currency. And Vena Network publish share will start soon, and you can register investment. Okay, click here, enter name, enter email, contact number, country, amount USD, and comment chain. Okay, Vena Network aim to create a decentralized digital asset financing and exchange network through Vena protocol. The Vena protocol is divided into two layers. The first is basic protocol layer, which mainly include registration, configuration, routing, and management of upper layer business. And the second is a asset protocol layer based on asset complexity, user defined financial business through investment of the turn contact interface. For example, turn of place and repayment can be written into term contract to make collateral loan. Inheriting of EIC 721 standard really value as obligations for asset portfolio, establishing individual credit contract model and injecting on-chain and off-chain data to achieve open and transparent credit. In Vena ecosystem, a cloud-loop calculation for tokenized asset is essential to P2P lending or transaction in a release through blockchain. That is after the digital asset ensure direct P2P transaction through the Vena protocol is available, or after digital asset are pledged risk write-offs pledge is changeable and curation of collateral is available. On operation controlled by smart contract code and are free from human intervention to us again fraud. Users on Vena Network can be benefit from the development of the cryptocurrency, making really asset financing and exchange in the cost-effective, safe, and efficient manner, while also can mitigate the risk associated with factors such as cryptocurrency price fluctuation and dishonest financial intermediaries. And Vena Network had to really decentralize the correct lending and OTC trading of cryptocurrency and fiat currency. The third is multi-chain development across asset transaction distributed network as main transaction process mechanism. Vena nodes can profit from transaction via by establishing nodes on the Vena protocol to be accepted to fiat to cryptocurrency, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and etc. Long and transaction. The two party of the transaction needs not rely on the third party trustworthy intermediary. The security on the transaction is guaranteed by the protocol, and you algorithm software to release decentralized management. And Vena nodes are the key element of Vena network. Vena protocol preset to row up operator and layer. A Vena node can consist of the single row and convenient up to layer of or can contain on kind of service provide leverage from market competition. In the breast row upright is the church work order producer and operator of the default risk of on the debtor in the business channel of this issue, and repliers asset separate the process in on that financing order in Vena network with the need of trustworthy third party. They can only be authentically appraised by on historical asset performance. Therefore, the market has a clear channel to appraise credit in indicator involving any specific appliance or layer and transaction disputes and etc. The Vena protocol use a mixed technology that they call off-chain rely on-chain settlement to achieve balance between efficiency and security in the exchange and asset exchange. Vena protocol significantly reduce inflation cost of average dealer because transaction intention can be used which can be chain off chain, and the on-chain settlement only occurs when the value transfers. They expand the Vena network by opening up application for Vena nodes, provide tempo contract trading market survive, and designing the protocol which is uncoupled from application. Vena network provide significant advance for Vena nodes and user. Vena protocol utilize economics incentives such as cost compensation for various roles in different market competition in Vena ecology to provide user and accurate market data, real credit data, and digital asset distribution, lending, trading, and management service in a fair, transparent, secure manner with rich applications. Its Vena nodes preparation in an independent commercial organization which will gain profit from virus finance service is provide. The mission is to promote the healthy develop and currency community. Okay, video reviews Vena network has end. Thank you and goodbye.